Now this video is just to help you with your sound pack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the card, I'm going to tell you the sound, and then I want you to repeat after me. Okay, let's get ready. Short sound A, long sound A. Short sound E, long sound E. Short sound I, long sound I. Short sound O, long sound O. Short sound A, long sound U. Awesome, keep it up. Ah, o, a, e, o, I. Two sounds here, U and oo. O at the end of a word, ow at the end of a word, push to the middle when followed by L, N, or D. E. This one has three sounds, E, and A. Oo and oo. U and oo. Two sounds once again. Same with this one. U and oo. I. O in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. Oi in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. Oi at the end of a word. Ow in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. I at the end of a short word. E at the end of a long word. A at the end of a word. A in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. Three sounds for this one. Ed, d, and t. Y, j. And sometimes z. T, w, x, sh, z, n, o, m, d, b, ch. At the end of a word after a short vowel sound. K. Consonant ul, count back 3. J at the end of a word after a short vowel sound. K, and sometimes g, and sometimes j. K at the end of a word after a short vowel sound. This one has two sounds, and ch. Thank you for joining. I hope you continue to practice your sounds every day, and if you have any questions, just let us know.